how to replace the master power window switch in the 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. We have a bad passenger window switch on the driver's door. You can see that it rolls the window down, but it does not lift the window back up. So we're going to replace this switch. So getting the switch out is a very simple procedure. The first thing we need to do is take off this grab handle. And if you look underneath it, you'll see a notch right here. You just need to get a pry tool in that notch and we'll pop this off. And it just pulls right off. And once you have the cover off, you see a 10mm bolt at the top and a 10mm bolt at the bottom. So we're going to get those two out. So use your 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the two bolts. So once we get the bottom out, we can just pull off this grab handle. So with the handle out, we now have a clear view of the entire switch panel, and we're going to use our pry tool again to pry up on the trim to get it up and out. So just like that, we have the switch out. First thing we're going to do is just disconnect the connector so that we can get it out of the plastic housing. So just push on the tabs and pull out the connectors. So here is our new part. And we just need to get this into the trim. This is the new one. Here's the old one. So as you can see, it clips in on this side and it clips in on this side. So we're gonna have to pull these tabs back so that we can remove the old switch. Okay, have the old switch out. Simply going to take our new one and snap it in place. Just like that. And now this is ready to go back in the truck. Okay, so I'm going to snap the connectors back in and we're going to test the switch before we put everything back together. And we're going to roll up this window and see if it works. There it goes. Can you guys see it? So we know that our new switch is working. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.